Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you exactly how to set default printer in Windows 11 so your computer always prints to the right device. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This button opens a quick access menu where you can reach important system tools fast. Step 2. Click on Settings from the menu. The Settings app lets you manage your system, control devices and adjust options for Windows 11. Step 3. Click on Bluetooth and devices from the left panel. This section manages all connected hardware like printers, headphones and other peripherals. Step 4. Click on Printers and Scanners on the right side. Here you can see all printers connected to your computer, both wired and wireless, and manage their settings. Step 5. Click on the printer you want to set as your default. Choosing the right printer ensures your documents always print correctly without asking every time. Step 6. Click on Set as Default. Once selected, Windows 11 will automatically use this printer whenever you print a document, saving time and preventing mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy tech tips.